Subramanian Nadar College of Engineering, autonomous from May 2018. The SSN institutions provide a variety of stimulating environments for intellectual development, free thinking, and personal growth, challenging its students with dynamic learning opportunities and equipping them with the skills, insights, attitudes, and practical experiences that are necessary to take up the responsibilities in the society. In short, SSN students will find an academic and social environment where everyone from faculty members to peers help shape their future. As an exemplary institution of learning, SSN follows an admission policy that strongly favors merit even as it enables access to education for students from all strata of society through appropriate scholarships. The institution boasts a strong alumni network with alumni events held every year, serving as a platform for past students to give back to SSN and share their experiences with its present fellow students. And disclaimer, this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at SSN are BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, BE Mechanical Engineering, BTech Chemical Engineering, BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BTech Information Technology, BE Civil Engineering, BE Biomedical Engineering. Scholarships offered at SSN are walk-in, walk-out scholarships. The top 10 rank holders of any state or central board examination at plus 2 or equivalent level are entitled to pursue the BE or BTech degree at SSN College of Engineering absolutely free of cost. The waiver of tuition fee. First year student of SSN who secured the highest marks in plus 2 examination have their entire tuition fee waived for the first academic year. Similarly, senior students are offered scholarships on basis of their previous year's performance. Merit scholarships. Scholarships are offered to meritorious students based on their academic performance at qualifying examination for freshers and in case of senior students, their performance during the previous academic year. Scholarships for rural students. This is a unique feature in overall scholarship program at SSN. 25 toppers from rural government schools are selected for free education at UG level every year. This is a small step taken by SSN to bridge the urban-rural divide in the country. These students also participate in specially designed bridge program prior to start of regular academic session to equip them to face the rigors of education. Facilities at SSN colleges include auditorium. The 1,000-seater auditorium is air-conditioned and equipped with modern equipment such as multimedia projectors, high-quality sound systems, etc. For smaller seminars and meetings, there is a mini auditorium which can hold around 300 people. Counseling Center. A qualified, experienced counselor resides on the campus and is always on call to help students with their professional, academic, or personal issues. Hostel. Each hostel building is designed to be an independent unit with its own kitchen, dining hall, reading room, library, television, and telephone facilities. Library. The library stocks 206 national and 114 international journals and magazines to keep students abreast of latest findings and research. Sport and access. The sport facilities are extensive and well equipped, catering to wide range of sports. There is an indoor stadium as well as extensive space for the outdoor sports. Wi-Fi, the digital era with the access to wireless network across the campus in addition to traditional wired internet, intranet and mail access. Transport. The extensive fleet of buses constitutes one of the best transport system operated by the college in the city, connecting to students from every corner of Chennai to the campus. Cafeteria. On-campus access to tasty, nutritious and affordable food in two-story cafeteria building accessible for the students and staffs. Tutors at SSN College are mark companies such as Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Google, PayPal, Adobe. And engineering categories McDermott, L&T, Dow Chemicals, Caterpillar, MRF, Huawei, Alcatel Lucent, TVS Group. And automobile Hyundai, Daimler, Ashok Leyland, Renault Nissan. Construction L&T, ECC, CBRE. Analytics Musigma, Latent View, Crayon Data, Tiger Analytics. IT services Cognizant, TCS, Infosys, Accenture, HCL. Product companies ThoughtWorks, Zoho, Dell R&D, Samsung R&D. Consulting Goldman Sachs, McKinsey, SAP, ENY, Deloitte. Results. The overall results from 2013 to 2017 is around 80 to 90 percentage. Contact college at 044 2746 9700 3290 9138 3290 9855 and web check at www.ssn.edu.in. The college is located at Rajiv Gandhi Salai OMR, Kalavakam, Chennai 603110 and mail at info@ssn.edu.in.